Hello everyone, welcome to today's market overview with Dylan Peacock. Let's go straight into the Dow. The Dow daily trend is down, 8 is below 21, 21 is below 50. Current support is the negative 127 extension of the monthly high low. I'm waiting for price to break back above the 0 and for the 8 to cross the 21 to enter a new position long. Should price continue upward and break this 50 level resistance, I will consider entering a new position long as well. US Tech daily trend is down, 8 is below 21, however longer term trend is up, 21 is above 50. Current support is the 0 of the monthly high low. Should price continue up and the 8 will cross the 21, I will enter a new position long. Once the resistance at the 61.8 has been broken, I will consider entering a second position long. S&P 500 daily trend is down, 8 is below 21, 21 is below 50. Current support is the negative 127 extension of the monthly high low. Should price move up and the 8 cross the 21, I will consider entering a new position long. Should the 21 cross the 50, I will consider entering a second position long. Once this resistance level at the 50 of the monthly high low breaks, I will consider entering a third position long. Gold daily trend is up. I'm waiting for a break below the 50 level to enter a new position short. Current resistance is at the 61.8 of the monthly high low. Once price breaks below the 38.2, I'll be entering a new position short as well. Current support is at the 50 level of the monthly high low. Thank you for listening to the market overview. Trade safe and have a good day.